Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to add this type of badge in your Elementor WordPress website. So first of all, you can go and install Elementor Page Builder plugin. After that, you can go and install another plugin. So that's name is Unlimited Elements for Elementor. Here you can go and search for Unlimited Elements for Elementor add-on. So this one is very useful add-on that comes with 200 plus useful widgets. So you can go and upload zip file calling plugin. Let's go and click on activate button. As here you can see, I already activated this plugin. So now let's go back and click on unlimited elements. Now scroll down and click on widgets, and here you can search for badge. Now you can install this widget. After that, let's go back, and here I have test page. So let me go and click on edit with Elementor, and now here search for badge, this one, and drag it anywhere. So now here you can see these are the different styles. So now I want to add this one, circle, and here you can select the location. So you can add top left, right, bottom left. So I want to keep it at this position. After that, let's go to style tab, and here you can select the badge size. So let me select 50. Let's go back and click on layout, then disable the title. After that, here you can select the badge icon that you want. For example, I want to search for percent, this one, and click on insert button. Now here you can go to style tab, and you can change the background color. So whatever color you want to add, you can easily do that. If you want to change the icon color, then you can go and select any of your desired color. After that, click on publish button. So in this way, you can easily add badge in any Elementor widget.